Hello, mom and sir. My name is Annabel Haiko. I'm living in Philippines. I'm 36 years old. I'm a married woman. I have two children. My daughter is 15 years old. My son 12 years old. I have three brothers. I'm only one girl in my family. My mother and my father working as a farmer workers in the Quezon province in Philippines. I have a teen experience that taking care the child of my auntie. The ages are 8 years old, 10 years old to 15 years old. But mostly my main duty is to cleaning the house. And I know how to cook Chinese food a little bit, but I only chicken steam and fish steam. But I'm ready to learn more how to cook Chinese food. And that's all. Thank you.